हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दिस इज रोशन सर मैक्स मीडिया। स्टूडेंट्स, S7 के रिलेटेड आपको चाहे S7 हो या बोर्ड एग्जाम हो, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ आप सभी के लिए। और ऑलरेडी मैंने प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स जो S7 के रिक्वायरमेंट है वो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है। अभी मिनी असाइनमेंट आपको यहाँ पर आपको माइक्रो मिनी असाइनमेंट आपको मिल जाएगा एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इस वाले लेसन से। कौन से आपको पढ़ना है देखिए। पहले वेरी शॉर्ट, the angle of elevation of ladder यहाँ पे leaning against a wall is 60 degrees and that foot of a ladder is 9.5 meters away from the wall. Find the length of a ladder. Second वाला, length of the shadow of a 15 meters high pole is 5√3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun ray with the ground at that time? Third वाला है, the height of a tower is 200 meters when the altitude of the sun is 30 degrees. Then find the length of the shadow. उसके बाद शॉर्ट देखिए। The shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees. Then it was 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Fifth वाला, a tree is 20√3 meters high and its shadow on the level ground is 20 meters long. Then find the angle of elevation of the sun. उसके बाद from the top of a 7 meters height building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Determine the height of the tower. उसके बाद long देखिए, ये long है। Two pillars of equal height or the either side of a road which is 100 meters wide. The angle of elevation of the top of the pillars are 60 degrees and 30 degrees at the point of the road between two pillars. Find the position of the point between the pillars. From a building 60 meters high, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of the lamp of the post are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between lamp post and building. Also find the difference height between building and lamp post. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to be 30 degrees if the jet plane is flying a constant height of 1500 under root 3 meters. Find the speed of the jet plane. root 3 is equal to 1.732. अब इससे रिलेट एक और क्वेश्चन रहेगा। देखिए यहाँ पे एक और क्वेश्चन है। The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the 2 points at the distance from the 4 meters and 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base on the towers and the same straight line with it are complementary. और इससे रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखिए। The height of a mountain cliff in the angle of elevation its top from a point 300 meters from the foot found to be 60 degrees. इसके अंदर √3 मीटर्स होगा, 200 मीटर्स होगा, 100 √3 मीटर्स होगा या √3 मीटर्स होगा। The minute hand of a clock is 3 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 20 minutes? 9 centimeters होगा, 10 centimeter, 22 centimeter या 42 44/7 centimeter. A person walking 20 meters towards a chimney is a plane and observe that the angle of elevation changes from 30 degrees to 45 degrees. The height of the chimney is 20 by √3 या 20 √3 minus 1 या 10 under bracket √3 minus 1 या 20. The angle of depression of the point 100 meters away from the foot of the tree is 60 degrees. The height of the tree is 200 √3, 700 √3, 100 √3 या 400 √3. Vertical pole is 10 meters height. The length of a shadow is angle of elevation of the sun is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point of the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower 30 degrees. Then the height is the tower is meters 10 √3 या 10 by √3 या 10 √3 by 10 या नॉन। ये था एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का। ऑल द बेस्ट।